Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn off efficiency mode in Windows 11 so you can manage your apps better and boost your computer's performance easily. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, make sure you're in the Processes tab, where you'll see a list of all the active apps and background tasks. Step 2. Look for the app you want to check efficiency mode for. You'll notice some apps have a small green leaf icon next to them. That icon means efficiency mode is enabled. Step 3. Click once on the app you'd like to change. Now, look toward the top bar of Task Manager. You'll see the option called Efficiency Mode. If it's grayed out, that means Windows doesn't allow you to modify it for that specific process. But if it's active, you can turn it off or on by clicking it. Step 4. When you click Efficiency Mode, a pop-up message will appear asking, "Do you want to turn off efficiency mode for this process?" Simply press OK to confirm, and efficiency mode will be turned off for that app instantly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.